Hello. I hope everyone is online this afternoon. I hope that you've received instructions of how to get online. If you have problems, call for help. It's been very interesting, hasn't it? Last year we did this with COVID, and even though COVID's still around, we had some technical problems that have taken a while. Please note that all students will have to set up a new password, and it's going to be a little different than how we've done it in the past. I have not been able to log on to anything, just like all of you. If you happen to have been logged in, like on your phone, then you could still get that access. If you happen to be logged into your computer, maybe you could continue that use for a while, but everything's been shut down. Everything was shut down. And even those people, theirs was shut down for a day or so. I received notification last night that I could log in. I had to go through a different process, but I finally figured it out. It took me a few times, but I finally figured that out, so I'm back online. And I hope all of you are. If you're just frustrated, please do not hesitate to call for help. You can call me. I don't know if I can help you, but I will try, or I'll get help for you. So we got to get everybody logged back in. We got to get on with this semester so it can count. I know there was some discussion that we were extending this semester for a week. I have seen that, but I haven't seen it in the last couple of days. So as soon as I find out, I'm sure all of you will find out. I've been getting text messages, as that was the only way they could communicate with us. So I'm sure all of you have. In fact, we've gotten so many, it's like, okay, have you already told me this before? But all of them are really important. So we're back in business starting Monday. I'm going to open up my stuff tomorrow, Sunday morning. And I hope all of you are back on then. Okay, that's enough of that. We're in business again. Okay, what I've done, I've been doing this afternoon. What I've done is I have gone in, and the assignments the week before the semester, I would say 90% of you have done them. That other 10% either didn't do any, did some. I had contacted some people so they could finish them up, and of course we were locked out. So what I've done is I have opened up, let's see, I opened up the first part, week 9. No, I opened up week 8, the week before spring break. I opened up week 8, and I changed the due dates on all. Let's see, there is a video and 4 assignments. One's for the library, the other 3. 2 are from the chapter, and 1 from part 1 of the novel. If you did not do those, you have the opportunity to do those. If you rushed through it and didn't like what you put down or didn't finish something, you have a second attempt. Every assignment has 2 attempts. So you can go back in there and change it. I may have graded some. So if you go back and change your original assignment, would you please text me? Otherwise, I won't know to go back and grade them. Anyway, all of those assignments have an April 4th date on them, due date. Now, these assignments is week 9, and it is marked March 29th through April 4th. So it's like always. I'm putting this video in there so that you kind of understand what you're doing. I hope you're watching the videos. The video for the first part of chapter 5 is on last week's module, so you can always go back and look at those. videos. This week, you are going to finish up Chapter 5 completely. Assignments, quiz, evaluating web page. And when it says evaluating website credibility, make sure you read the directions. It is not database. It's like the web. So make sure you read the directions. You just don't go to question 1 and start there. You need to read all that stuff above it. Okay, and then part 2 of the novel. So they're still there. So if you need to go back and look at part 1 of the novel, you can access that and look at it. If you kind of flubbed up and didn't read all of part 1, go back and fix it. Remember, you have 2 opportunities. And if you used one that week just to get it done and hurried, you can still go back and fix it. But again, if I've graded it and you need to change something, let me know so I know to regrade it. So you have those. Okay, always watch these videos because we're kind of flying blind. Me too. I don't know the definite answer on if we're going to extend a week at the end of the semester. That's a real possibility. Since we're online, what difference does it make? It's not like, you know, we have to go to class one more time. We're going to class online. So I'll let you know as soon as I know definite answers. I hope all of you are still with me and you haven't given up through this crazy time we're going. But hey, life's interesting, right? Okay. All right. If you have any questions about anything, computer, how to get on, anything, assignments, please call me. Please call me. Just tell me who you are because I don't have your phone number stored in my phone. So all I see is a number. Okay. I know, that's a lot. I know, I talk. But I want you to get all this. And I want you to be successful. I want to finish the semester and move on with your lives and mine too. Okay? So, bye. Talk to you later.